This is how I counterbore holes for socket screws. I'm going to do this using the pocket toolpath with a 3/8 flat end mill. But you run into a few problems with the ramping. You'll see here I'm going to program one real quick and it's going to fail. Warning, one or more pockets are not machined because they are too small to be reached with the given ramping constraints. Okay, so that's a pretty easy fix. Go into your toolpath and we need to go into the linking tab, but I'm going to remove stock to leave real quick here. I had that selected still. And then under minimum ramp diameter, just make that a smaller number, and that's going to allow the tool to ramp in and cut everything out that you need, and it'll leave you with the perfect counterbore hole for, or like a button head or a socket head. I also need to change the heights tab on the top height. I need to change it to the model top. That way it doesn't have to travel as far. And there you go, a perfect counterbore hole.